time to copy some digital videotapes onto DVD. So this is my dad's digital camera, digital handycam, and this is my MiniDV handycam. So I'm thinking that these are roughly probably the same vintage. This uses digital 8, which I think was on the way out. So basically, okay, no research. Sorry, didn't mean to knock the camera. Basically, I think it used the same tape as their analog, high 8, but digital. And then came MiniDV. So look at the mechanism in there. It's like, well, pretty much like a DAT drive, I guess. Oh, that's not focusing, is it? Anyway, so okay, so yeah, it's a MiniDV compared to Dad's digital 8, high 8, a bit different. So I'm guessing that this was on the way out when this was coming in. So these are roughly the same vintage because they use the same power supply. You know, my folks bought this in Australia. I was in the UK at the time, bought this in the UK. But it's exactly the same power supply. Yeah, exactly the same model power supply. ACL10B, because it's got the same plug. So there you go. Basically the same. Surprise, surprise! Sony using the same power plug on different equipment. You know, that's a new one for Sony. Anyway, so yeah, so what I want to do is I want to try and copy it basically straight to DVD on this multi-function DVD recorder, VRD-MC6. This is the first time I've tried this. So this has got basically, you can, if we go back to, that's the, here we go. So we can do, let me get set up. Okay, I'm actually reshooting this bit afterwards because when I was playing it back, this is like piano black. It just reflects everything, and it was just covered in fingerprints, which I thought looked disgusting. So I'm re-recording this as I rewind the tape. So I've successfully recorded a video, but anyway, I won't give too much away. So this is the menu. So you can copy from video inputs onto DVD. So the video inputs are, we've got our normal AV, we've got DV in, so FireWire and USB. Okay. And we've got photo to DVD, so you can do a photo DVD, or not photo CD, but DVD. And I assume that would use the memory stick SD card inputs there. I have to read them in. So AVC HD W. So that was the early high def format. It was on, and that was on DVD or something. I can't remember, but irrelevant for me because I don't have a high def camera. Let's go into setup, record quality, so high quality. I don't think it really matters if it's a digital source, does it? I don't think it matters if it's digital source. So I only think if it's analog. Auto stop time, auto chapter every 5 minutes, I guess. DVD menu. What's that one? Oh, okay. We've got the different backgrounds we can have, including a picture. Okay. Slideshow music. Okay, well that's, I guess, for photos. Finalize disc or H disc if it's a DVD RW. Okay, I don't know if there was any firmware updates for this. Shut off. Demo just plays stuff on the screen when you're not doing anything. Okay, so there we go. So, and obviously that's where the DVD goes in there, which I've just done. So, there we go. Now I will just quietly insert this into the middle of the video, and you won't know that I've re-recorded it. So hidden under all that is a Sony DVD / hard drive recorder. So back before digital television kind of became a big thing, you could use that and record TV onto DVD or a hard drive instead of a VHS tape. How fancy is that? But it's also got a FireWire import and various other ones. So you could actually also dump your video camera tape straight onto DVD via that one as well. But I'm going to try this little gizmo today. And obviously back in the day, when I got my iMac, I used to, create DVDs and stuff. That's what I'll probably do as well. Just dump this onto the computer and create an MP4 file. Anyway, but let's try creating a DVD. Okay, we'll put my camera aside. This was also pretty cool back in the day because it had you could take memory stick. Yeah, right there, memory stick. Came with a 4 megabyte memory stick, which you can't even fit a photo on these days. I want to take it on the phone. Anyway, let's unplug that one. We're not doing that one today. And plug into Dad's one. Oh, yeah. Probably takes the same type of batteries as well. Maybe. No. Infolithium M versus Infolithium L. Okay. Older one. Okay, so. Well, all right, you can probably look through there. We want to turn it on to VCR. Okay, we're on VCR. Controls along the top, so we want to rewind. Okay, that's playing. Oh yeah, okay. So it must be at the rewind. Okay, so that's that done. Put Dad's tape away. Switch that on. Find the FireWire port. And find some DVD-Rs. Okay. That's one FireWire. There's a FireWire port on this one. Not in there. There we go. S-Video. Okay, what's the best way of doing this one? Okay. Now, I grabbed a box of discs. I assume they're DVD. I don't know. Let's have a quick look through the loop in case it says anything. RFD-80M. Of course, it wouldn't say anything simple like DVD or... Well, let's find out, shall we? The disc. Unusable disc inserted compatible disc. So that must be a CDR. Back when my car had a CD player. Okay, off to find a DVD-R. Look what I found. 32 megabytes, 4 megabytes, 32 megabytes. So yeah, this is the original 4 megabyte memory stick I got with my MiniDV camera. Yeah, could actually store a couple of photos on there because I think it was 1024 by 768 resolution or something. Anyway, this box, this spindle looks more promising. Do you think that's a DVD-R? Single-sided, I guess. No, 4.7. Anyway, in the old days when you could do double-sided and blah blah blah. Okay, let's see how that goes. No. Checking the disc. Insert memory card or connect camera. Okay, so camera's gone to sleep. Turn it back on. Do I have to say DVD in? Uh-oh, in. Do I have to say FireWire in? I think I did. Okay. So we'll look, video to DVD. I think that's right, isn't it? There's no other. Select that. Okay, DV in. Yeah. Did I select that the first time? Maybe I didn't. Okay, now that's right. Okay, copy all videos to the camera and DVD. Press the record button to start recording. Okay. Set along the top. Full format disc for DV. Okay, alright, we'll have to format it, do I? Okay. No input signal. Has it gone to sleep again? Okay, I've just toggled it again. Oh, what's that? Manual? Full. Oh, okay. Manual. Full. Okay, right. Okay. Waiting for input signal. Press play. Spun down. Yeah, so there is video playing. It's not.
Dress uniform for his graduation this afternoon.
Okay. Maybe do I have to explicitly state? Okay, display exposure menu. All right. Maybe I need to set something up on the camera. Okay. All right, this is going to be a bit fiddly. Let me just stop and check. Okay, so I've been trying the cable I got and it doesn't work. So I tried it on both. My dad's one and my one, and it doesn't work. So I scratched around again, and finally I found my box of FireWire cables, including my precious i.LINK to i.LINK. So let's see if this makes any difference. Okay. Plug it into there. Let's plug Dad's one back into the power. Okay. Okay, there's a shorter cable. Let's see if that works. What? That was communication. Hey, it works. So this automatically rewound the tape. So there we go. Okay. I don't know if my brother wants to be. That's when he graduated from the Air Force. Good on him. But it's cool. It's playing back on that screen as well. So I won't show too much of that. So yeah, there we go. That's kind of working. So hopefully I just leave it, and I think once the tape gets to the end, because it's digital, it knows it'll stop the recording, and then I just have to finalize. Cool. I'll leave it go. Okay, and it's finished. So I was just saying finalizing. Oh, and the disc has popped out. So checking the disc. Apparently you can play back DVDs, but only the DVDs that it's created. You don't want it. You would probably want to watch the movie on that little screen anyway. Checking the disc. Okay. DVD preview. Alright, cool. One chapter. Okay.